I love working with the Catholic Diocese, and that is generally who our client is. But the best thing about it is that we also get to meet the parishes. And so we have a great relationship with the diocese, and we understand the faith and what they're trying to accomplish and what their mission is within the context of their charge as a diocese. But we also understand the parishes have a little different focus and a little different mission. They're about building community, and it really is a good fit for us, and we get the chance to meet and work with just wonderful people, people that really care about the same things.
LGA has a lengthy history working on this project, going back from when they were looking at the property, probably 10 years. Craig sat down with Father Bob when Father Bob became the parish priest, and the project moved from there.
I had a lot of input working with the architects, and Craig and John have been great assets in the whole team. I've thoroughly enjoyed working with them and working with the architects, working with the construction Berg people, with the Deacon Aruna from the diocese. It's a great team effort.
We're here at St. Anthony, and I want to show you where the project got started. We are out in front of the parish hall, and this is the Roundabout Plaza. We designed this plaza so that it can be visible from the street and also a center of the entire project.
Community spaces for us are important because for us that's how we feel we can best affect community and the health of the community, and creating places that have a purpose of gathering, a purpose of connections. It just improves the overall health and well-being of our communities, and that's what we really strive in and thrive to do in our designs.
We worked on this project before the parish was created, and we helped the diocese purchase the land. And so we did some concept design just to make sure that it would fit on the 5-acre site and that it would make sense for them to buy the land. We went ahead and got the property zoned, and we developed a design of a parish hall as well as a church to see if everything would fit right. And then later they formed the parish, and we got to work closer with the parish to kind of refine that design and really make it something specific for St. Anthony of Padua. And it really is important to them because it is their home, and they had been meeting at one of the high schools, as well as they had their offices over on Rancho, and they're separated, and so they weren't able to all be in one place to help build community and build fellowship.
Through our process, I think we had a good collaboration and connection to Father Bob. He would visit our office very often, and it was great working with him. I think we used the tools we had, and we used the BIM model to really walk them through and understand the design.
Part of LGA's design process is to create a three-dimensional BIM model to help the client visualize what the building will be like before it's built. We also use that same model to create all of our construction documents to make sure that every discipline is well coordinated. For example, one of the design intent is to hide all the HVAC equipment and ductwork so that they're not visually in the foreground in sanctuary.
One of the things we want to do is make the building systems kind of disappear. We wanted to highlight the space and create an open architecture that creates good visibility lines. And for us, what was really important is how do you mix in natural light in the space? How do you make mechanical systems hidden from view?
The parish hall has lower windows, and it has high clear-story windows that bring light in from the outside at a higher level. There are times during the day when, from those windows, they don't need the lighting on.
So we were involved with the client and the parishioners from the design process all the way to groundbreaking, the top off, which means the structure of the building is complete, to the final completion, which is all of the finishes, furniture, decorations, and then seeing all the people in the space for their first Mass was very exciting for us.
The parish hall is just the first step in the growth of the church. Within the parish hall itself, we plan for additions in the future of classrooms and kitchens as the parish grows in size. In addition, the entry plaza is oriented in a way to become the entry for the church in the future. It's going to create the future growth into the initial design.
This cross here in the center of the plaza has been here on site since the client purchased the land. The parish's been out here, the site's been blessed. The superintendent, Anthony, actually prayed in front of the cross before he started the job. So it's a very significant piece that we want to incorporate in the project. So we built the step planter to kind of elevate it in front of the parish hall, and surrounding it we have landscaping as well as pavers showing the donations from the community.
So much sweat and sacrifice has gone into this building to raise it up for the greater glory of God. You can't get any better than that.
The best thing for me about this project is actually seeing the people's faces that use and love and enjoy the space that we created. And it's not so much about the building itself for me, it's about the congregation and it's about the community and how they just love to be together and they love to be able to be celebrating their faith in their own home.